Okay, it's a Saturday. We're just getting ready to close up here for the day. Tommy's doing a brake job on his truck rotors, and we got a LS here ready to go out. We got a couple that were got ready to go into the boring bar. We got one that came in today that we're getting ready to clean it, burn it, get it going so we can run it through, bore it and hone it and everything with these other two. We're setting up for the weekend, so we'll run our skimmer. It just turns in circles, brings the oil off, and gets all the oil out, you know, and the place will be sitting here empty for the weekend. Let's get this LS. Actually, that's dead on. Looking good. Get this thing set up with the cutter and everything and get it sleeved. Okay, this thing looks very good right here, right here, right here, but right there in between, I mean, you can't even tell that there's a sleeve in there hardly, you know, but when you get right here, you can feel on both sides of this thing where the aluminum is down a bit lower than the sleeve, just on the hole, you know, that we did, but it's both sleeves, it's both sides, it's this side and this side. So yeah, we need to surface it. Let's get these LS's done. Well, we're doing a couple LS blocks here today. We got this one. We had bored it the other day, and we bored this one here. We're getting ready to hone them both. We're honing this one. We're finishing up the first side right now. working pretty good. We'll get the torque plate off of it and go ahead and get it switched over to the other side and get this sucker finished up and get the other one in here. Some hard seats, aren't they? Mm-hmm. Well, I can see it good. Mm-hmm. You need one of these mounted right in front of you all the time. Mm-hmm. Boy, she's got some pits in it, don't it? Mm-hmm. Wow. See it? Mm-hmm. Sorry. I got it right there. Yeah. It's still got that one big, it's got some, still pretty big. What was super pitted?
Well, I'm not bearing down.
Right. I'm just gonna send this to him. You gonna vacuum it or anything?
I'll just continue so I can get them done and get them out of here.
Man, that thing was super pitted.
You still pitted?
Yep. Is it there?
I don't know. I gotta get my hand in there.
It's gone. You want to use that?
Cool.
What I'm doing here, I've set my 0. This right here has a magnet on it, so it sticks on the cylinder wall, and it's 8 inches tall. So we have a fantastic reference. It goes down, sits on our 2-inch bar, and we've got our cones made in there that make it exact. We've got this fixture, we've indicated it in from side to side. So we go from here to here and we find out our deck thickness. Well, it's 235 thousandths down. So the center of the main to the top of the deck is sitting at 9 inches, 235 thousandths. When you look at the specs on this, it is center of the main to deck. It's 9,235 to 9,245. Well, it's 9,235 for sure. So, let's get this thing going. Okay, I zeroed off on the deck really well. I'm taking a 5/1000 cut. So we're all set up and going. It's on its way back on a 0 cut, so we've left it totally alone. Haven't touched it. It's feeding back now. We'll see what it does. It looks like it pretty well cleaned up everywhere except out here on this outer edge. We'll see what it does. We got it feeding at 20%, which is pretty slow, so it'll leave a really nice finish. What I'm doing now, we got this corner that pretty much didn't clean up, but we got to rotate this thing because we are, you know, correcting the deck height, so they're going to be identical. Everything's going to be identical, correct? You know, deck height from corner to corner, everything. So I'm going to go ahead and take 2 more thousandths off this thing, so it'll be 7 thousandths, and
This was it.
so we're going to take 7 thousandths off, and then we're going to roll it. Okay, so what we got here, we're doing the second side. And everything's good. Got it all zeroed out. And everything's good. It's about 1 thousandths over on both sides. It's 0. So now we're just going to run it at 7 thousandths, and he'll have 9 inches, 228 thousandths will be his deck height.
Okay.
All right, it's all done. So we're going to get it off here. Turned out really nice. The compression height is 9 inch, 228 thousandths. We'll take the fixture off and get the bar out and the cones out, and get this thing up there, get it bored, because it's got a pretty nasty melted spot in it from the last piston. We're going 30 over, it'll clean up. Get it homed and go from there.